Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be touring in the South Las Vegas area, and we are off of 215 and Buffalo. This community is Cordora, built by Pulte Homes. Now, if you guys are into new builds, then continue watching and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell if you guys are into new build homes. We're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to have my cameraman right behind so you guys get a POV of what he does behind the scenes. And also, he is a realtor as well. He does similar home tours. So if you guys are tired of watching me, check out his channel because he does some awesome home tours as well. Okay, so let's get started. This particular model is called the Pinion. This one starts off at base price of $542,990. Square footage is at 2,690. It's a 4-bedroom house, but the model is a 5-bedroom that is a dual suite, which you guys will see in a bit. And then it's a 2-bath, 2-car garage. Okay. Now, we're going to start off in the front. You're going to have 3 different elevations that you can choose from. You'll have the pavers in your driveway. You have your desert landscaping as well, as all models in Las Vegas do come with that already completed. Now check this out. What I like about this specific model is that you actually have a balcony right in the front. This is your 2-car garage right here. We can enter from here, but I always like to start from the front door whenever I do these home tours. You have these modern lamps right here in the front. Okay, stucco finish. You're gonna have the stair steps right here. We're gonna have Ramiro come follow me. Watch your step, buddy. All right, so when we get to the front, you're actually gonna be entering to get to the 2nd floor.
So that's a 3-story homestand?
This is a 3-story home, and you guys are gonna see it right when we walk in. Right when you enter, it's gonna be on the 2nd floor. All right, so we're gonna walk up the stairs right here, and you got a large entryway with a door right here. Black hardwares. I like what they did with this finish. Now check this out, guys. There's a wow factor when you walk into these Pulte models. Wow. Right? Check that out. So as you walk in, you already immediately see the 2nd floor. And then Ramiro is showing you guys a little teaser up there. But let's start off downstairs. Okay, this is gonna come as a standard floor plan. You're gonna come down here, watch your step, hold on to the railings. Right here is your coat closet. Okay, and then you're gonna have these large tile flooring. These are not your standard 12x12 ceramic tiles that you're gonna get. This is an upgrade. And then right here is your washer dryer, your laundry room. You have your cabinets up top. This is gonna be an upgrade with the sink. And then right here, I'm gonna show you guys something pretty cool that I haven't seen yet in any model homes that we've done a tour with. Obviously, those are all not gonna come with the house, but you have your tankless water heater right here. This is an upgrade. I would highly suggest getting a tankless water heater nowadays. It doesn't take up a lot of space, right? And then you have your pre-pipe for your water softener right here. And what I wanted to really show you guys is the storage underneath the staircase from where we entered from. So this is extra storage right here, but you also get extra storage down there. Now, oh, it feels nice in here, the AC.
It feels good.
Okay, but in these Pulte homes, they're very transparent, and it shows you what they use as far as the materials whenever they build these model homes, right? You get to see what's in between the walls, the type of insulation that they're using, any of the joints and window frames. And then you also see what the type of material that they have underneath. Okay, and here's your insulation for your wall as well. Pretty cool, right? All your weatherproofing for your exterior. And like I said, this one specifically in the Pinion model, this will come standard. You have a little kitchenette area over here, but this is obviously an upgrade where you have a little wine fridge. You have a little mini sink right here. You have a nice upgraded shelving, brown cabinets, black hardware. But check this out, guys. This is like huge. It's like another living room area. I mean, check this out, guys. You can make this into a game room, really, if you really want to, or you could have this as an extra space for any guests that you guys have over, any family members. When we walk into here, another suite. Look how large that window is. You can open that and you can overlook your backyard. This is your owner's suite area, but it feels like a primary area. Toilet, you have your double sinks right here with the drop-ins. You have your black hardware walk-in shower with a bench, and you have a black trim right here. This looks cool. I like this. Very simple. It's not overly designed. And then you have a walk-in closet right here, all to yourself for this specific owner suite. What do you guys think, guys? Do you like it? Do you love it? If you don't like it, leave a comment below. Let me know.
I like it.
You like it, right?
Yeah.
Ramiro likes it. Okay, and then real quick, guys, we're gonna exit right here. I wanna show you guys this backyard. It's not that big, but just wanna show you because they don't have a covered patio. And if you don't have a covered patio, then you're just gonna probably heat up in the sun in Las Vegas. Oh man, it's not gonna feel nice. But this is just to kind of give you an idea, like if you get this model, this is the backyard that you're not gonna get as far as like all these pavers and the artificial grass, the desert landscaping, but it gives you inspiration on what you can build back here. Okay. Let's walk back into the home. And right here you have 8-foot ceilings right above. What did you guys think of this first floor? Second floor, guys. Now this is your dining area, but check this out. Dining, you got your kitchen, you have your living room space, all right? But living room space, look at this. L couch, large coffee table. This is a large coffee table, guys. Okay, and then you have your pre-wired for your lighting right here. Upgraded mantle with your linear electric fireplace, huge TV. And then you have this mini balcony that you saw earlier from the exterior. Not a lot of space out there, but if you want to just kind of peek and show them.
I want to look at it.
Okay, go look at it. And you can oversee your neighbors from this side of the house, right? You can say hi to your neighbors, say hi to your guests when they come into the front. But you have a little covered section right here with the toucan lighting.
I like it.
You like it? All right. I like it too. Now, check out this kitchen. I think, in my opinion, this is one of the nicest kitchens I've seen in a while. Great design with the Pulte Home models. You have your stainless steel microwave right here. You have your oven, black hardware, not soft close. But check this out. The design, you have 4 different tones. You have the black, the brown. You also have the white, I think, on the edge of that island. And then you have the gray. 4 tones complements each other really, really well. You have your 5 top burner. You have a stainless steel hood, all Whirlpool brands. Normally you would have the oven right here in the middle, but this is just the burner top, which I like. I like this look. Okay, a lot of counter space in this kitchen. Very well designed. And then you also do get the 4 stools right here for your bar stool seating. Dining table right here. And then right here, you have an office, right? You can turn this into an office. Something I didn't see earlier. Extra storage, guys. Right underneath the staircase also. I like this one. I think this is my favorite model so far. And then right here, down the hallway, you have another storage for your linens. And then you have your hallway bathroom, toilet. So this is a full bathroom, toilet right here. And then you have your shower, prefabricated black hardware, dual sinks with your black hardware. And then you have your 2 other bedrooms. But right before you go in the bedroom, here's another closet because you can't have enough closets in the house. And right here, they converted this more into a little gym space, but this is your bedroom. It's very, very tiny. I feel like it's a very tiny room. Here is the other bedroom right across the hall, Now, this is a 3-story house. So we were just covering the 2nd floor. We're done with the 1st. We're done with the 2nd. Are you guys ready to see the 3rd floor? If you are, give us a thumbs up. And if you find value on any of this video, any of the videos I do on the channel, do me a favor, guys. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you are always going to be informed and you don't miss out on any home tours I do here in Las Vegas. Right when you get to the top of the stairs, you got this large window that overlooks the neighbor's roof and other rooftops. You also get that window right there across as well. You have a ceiling attic right here, and then you have this little space that you can use for an office if you want to convert this into a little study room area. You know, that's that. Now we're walking into the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom, I feel like it's a little bit lower ceiling, 8 feet. Pretty nice size bedroom. And then right here, you have your primary bath. Huge walk-in closet to your right. Then you have your dual sinks right here. Walk-in shower right here. They kept it very simple. No crazy designs, just plain. And then you have your toilet right there, guys. All right, and guys, we get calls every single day from people just like you. So whether it's in 7 days or 3 months, if you guys decide you guys are planning to move to Vegas, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call with me and my team. That's it for this home tour. If you guys did like it, don't forget to subscribe, and subscribe to Ramiro's channel if you guys are tired of seeing my face. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video.